Hello guys, Gas Cavagna, physio, chiropractor, manual therapist at Therapy Mallorca. I'm here to make a special offer for all of you guys that have been following us, doing exercises with us, working and coming to our office for treatments, or they know me through my treatments, or they know Anna, my wife, through Pilates Mallorca. We put together a special offer for these times of lockdown, so we keep everybody active and we contribute to the improvement of their health or to maintain their health and physical condition. So if you get closer, Anna, I want to talk about what we have put together. It's a fantastic offer, but you're going to see what I mean by this. We're going to put together a number of classes and tutorials online. You can watch and follow the videos. We're gonna do once a week. I'm gonna be showing techniques for self-relief of trigger points, especially on your upper back, neck tension, also self-mobilization. We want to keep everything moving nice and loose. I'll do once a week video. So it's one video here, once a week. Wait, my writing. Once a week. Pilates Mallorca, some of you already follow her training. This is to stretch and work on your posture. Very good for the core, obviously. That's going to be 3 times a week. 3 times a week. And then I'm doing the Kinexor Fitness training, which is for strength training. Once you go beyond that, you got your range of motion, your posture is good. Now you need to support, especially after you got a treatment through me. And I always tell the same, we have to first release movement, improve the posture, correct the alignments, and then we work in strength and stabilization. This is when Kinexor Fitness takes place. So we're doing two a week of Kinexor training. Alright, and then what we adding on top of this, it's a spine scan and treatment in my office when we finish the lockdown. You can call me, we're going to set up the appointment, so you come in the office and you get this adjustment with the nasty technology I brought into the island. Very gentle tapping function with this machine that we can scan and then release whatever we find that is blocked. Alright, that will be one treatment that is worth 25 euros. And then we're going to include, so you can follow the whole program, a Kinexor device, which is worth 100 euros. And then we're going to also add on top a free workout towel. That's one towel. So when you put all these together, we have the Kinexor device only, it's 100 euros. The spine scan and alignment treatment is 25, the towel is 5, and you get all of these training sessions for free included in that package. All of it adds to 130 euros, right? So we're gonna do this special offer if you contact us now as soon as you can. So we arrange for the so you get the equipment and you get all the goodies. We set up the program. It's gonna be now at euro 65. Alright? 65 euros, half the price. So we want to make sure everybody gets involved. We're gonna make the most out of this month. We'll get you in perfect shape. We're gonna work on those kinks. Remember, we talk about releasing or working, getting rid of those sticky points, the areas where your range of motion is limited and is weak. So I'll show you with different techniques that you can use at home. You can practice it with your partner or with a friend, or even on your own, by the use of a towel, tennis balls, different things that we all have at home. I'll show you what you can do, and then besides that, you're going to be doing the Pilates, then the fitness strength training, and then you're going to come after this month is over, or whenever the lockdown is lifted. We can all come out, schedule your appointment, and get your scan and treatment for your spine. Okay? So I look forward to working together. We're now taking orders and getting everyone involved. We're gonna launch this within a week's time. Yes, so towards the end of April. Thank you guys.